This is hiking in 2020 pandemic edition. Coronavirus!
Why are you so close to me?
This is the new 2020 hiking gear. If you ever go hiking in 2020,
Ow.
this is an essential right here.
Coronavirus! Alright guys, so right now we're at the Appalachian Trail. I hiked before in DC in, I don't remember what it was called, but I'll put it right here. But yeah, this is my first time hiking in New York. We're out here with my brother, Melissa, her sister. You got this. You got this. No pressure. No pressure. Oh my gosh. Yeah, also, we drank a little bit. Not a good idea before a hike. And James right there. Babe. Babe. It's his first time hiking. Bro, say what's up to the vlog.
What's up, vlog? How y'all doing?
Yes!
Have fun. Ooh.
Alright, so we made it to the waterfall. We're here. We made it to a mini waterfall. It's so pretty. I found a caveman out here. No shave, no shave me.
What year is it?
It is 2020.
I'm so happy that you found me. I've been sleeping in the cave over there for about a century.
Yeah, seems like it. Hold on, caveman, come back. Can you be my friend?
I'll show you the trails. Let's go.
You chose the trails? Real life caveman.
This ball is crushed. Man, what a shot.
What is that over there?
I think we're lost.
Let's go around this.
We are finding our way back to the car, and we're counting on my brother and James to get us back safely, because I think honestly we're lost. I think we're lost. Look at this. The woods are deceiving. Everything looks the same.
We not lost.
So my brother thinks just because he's wearing oh my god, we're not gonna get lost, but we're gonna get hurt. My brother thinks because he's wearing a highlighted shirt, he's not gonna get lost, and he's like the king of the woods right now. We'll see. See if we can get back. Because I'm hungry. We made some delicious sandwiches that we left in the car because someone told me to leave everything. The one with the highlighter shirt. So I had to leave everything in the car, so I only brought snacks, and my snacks are gone. Water's almost gone.
Got chips for you if you want.
You got an emergency stash. Oh, actually, I do want some.
There you go.
Casually having some Doritos.
In the middle of the woods.
In the middle of the woods. Making sure I save some for later, just in case we get lost. Alright, I think we're like halfway. Let me focus this. What can I say as I'm waiting for them to come down? We haven't been active on YouTube because of so many reasons. Oh, there comes. So yeah, I'm telling them we haven't been really active on YouTube because, you know, so many things. You know, we don't live together, so we don't get to see each other that much. So we can't really create content for you guys. So this is why we thought today would be the perfect day, because ooh,
To shoot a vlog.
to shoot a little vlog, which I don't know how it's gonna come out because we're all over the we're all over the place. This is the pandemic edition vlog. We've been good, guys. Like, thank God, our family has been healthy, our friends, everybody. I know, like, this is just like a hard time for everyone, I know it may seem like, okay, we're out here, like, you know, we're not in quarantine, we're not following the rules, but you have to find things that you could do that's not, you know, you're not surrounded by so many people, and as long as you're being precautious and like wearing your mask and stuff and having hand sanitizer all the time, you should be fine. Nature really helps us cope with so many things, especially during this time. See? Now we're at a crossroads. We have no idea where to go, so we think it's this way. Because we remember crossing the water, but we don't know if it's from the... I record myself doing this. Let's see. So the first time my foot actually went inside the water. Oh, look at this. Oh. Alright, let's see. This is easy. Easy. Light work. Light work. Oh, super light work.
So we came up this, now we gotta go down.
Now we're going back down the steep, rocky hill. Let's go, we got to.
You better be careful.
You gotta stay low. Stay low, squat.
You gotta squat, yeah.
Squat, stay low.
Spread the legs, shoulder width apart.
Shoulder width apart.
Bend them knees, back straight.
Back. Bend the knees, back straight. Technique. Technique, oh! Oh, I like that song.
Chicka, 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 yeah.
Hey guys, so we all made it back home safely, and we forgot to close up this video, so this is me now closing up this video. We had a fun day today. It was so much fun. Hope everyone's safe, hope everyone's healthy. We will be sure to vlog as much as we can whenever we can, and whenever we have the opportunity to, whenever we are together, whenever we do fun things, we'll be sure to like record it and show you guys. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You already know what it is. And make sure to follow us on babeimhungry.newyork. That's our food page. And follow me at Starcole, and follow Jay at IamGroovyJ. Alright guys, bye!